go. Here I is. Here am I's. Two of eyes. Hello. Oh, he's looking at me, I don't like it. He keeps staring at me. Right, I'm out in nature at this place I know, in a tranquil suburb of London called Thamesmead. This is actually Abbey Wood. And there's an old demolished building there. I wish I'd try and repair it. It's been there for years and I still ain't done anything about it. For now. Anyway, I'm out in nature, panting already, and I've only walked pardon my French, 2 seconds. But I'm out in nature and I'm walking, getting some fresh air. Look at that, beautiful fresh air. Someone's got to do it. We'll get a job soon and we'll get on with some work, I promise. Yeah, I will anyway. At the moment, just kicking back,